Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a 2008 Chevrolet Malibu battery. What you would need is a 10-inch millimeter socket to take off the negative terminal first, as demonstrated here in the video. Now you're going to take off your positive terminal. Today we have Matt is our master installer, installing this battery into this 2008 Chevrolet Malibu. Also too, there is a bracket that's center of this car. You want to take that off. You can use the same socket. It might be a 10. If it's not a 10, try a 14-inch. But make sure you get that center bolt out first though. And now you can take the battery straight out. Okay, so we just put the new battery back into this car, which is the world's greatest battery. So right now, Matt is trying to find that center hole for the centerpiece to bolt down the bracket on this battery. I suggest, when you're trying to find that hole, use your hand to try to wiggle the screw inside that. Because if you don't, you'll drop that screw down in the engine of the car, and trust me, it's hard to get out. So now it seems like we have a little difficulty trying to tighten up the post here on the positive post on this car. As you're visiting this video, please, folks, if you got some terminals that's kind of worn out, spend yourself a couple bucks, around like $5 or $6, and get you some new terminals on your battery. It makes a big difference. Any play in these batteries with the cables, the car won't crank. And so then the customer, they looking at us, us to do wonders. But as you can see, Matt is pretty good at what he does. So he's actually got it to stick there. So now we're getting the negative terminal. You see the customer come over to looking like important, like hey, she knows she needs terminals. But they want us to do wonders when they come here. But hey, that's what we do here at Battery Guys. We provide customer service. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.